food?
I like apple.
And what do you want to be?
Funny.
Good, excellent. Okay, what do you see? I see. And what is in the bag? Pencil. And ruler, good. What do you see? Good, I see a train. And is this a bicycle? Good. And what is this? What color is it?
Pink.
Good. And what do you see?
I see a cat.
Good. And what is this?
It is a slide.
Good. And what is this?
It is a swing.
Good. And what is that?
It is a seesaw.
Good. How many people do we see? How many people do we see? I see. Good. And what is that?
It's a pool.
It is a pool. Good. And what do you see?
I see ice cream.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Me too. I love ice cream. What is that?
It is a freebie.
Good. And what's this?
This is a tree.
Good. What do you see?
I see a ball.
And what color is the ball?
Red,
Yeah.
blue, orange, yellow, and green.
Excellent. Good job. And what is this?
This is a net.
It's a net. And where is the ball?
The ball is in the net.
Excellent. And where is the ball?
The ball is under the screen.
Good job. And this one, where is the ball?
The ball is under the seesaw.
Good. And where is the ball?
The ball is on the slide.
Good. And where is the ball?
The ball is under the tree.
Good. And where is the frisbee?
Frisbee is in the net.
Good. And where is the doll?
The doll is under the screen.
Good. And where is the kite?
The cat eat. The cat is on the slide.
Good. And where is the car?
The car is under the tree.
Good job. And who is he? He is a
Waiter.
waiter. Good job. Okay. And who is he?
He is a teacher.
And where does he work?
He
He
works
works
in the school.
good. Is it blue? Who is she?
She is a vet.
Good. And who is he?
She is a builder.
He is builder. And who is she?
She is a nurse.
Very good. And who is he?
He is a doctor.
Good. Where does he work?
He works
who is he?
He is a fireman.
Good. And who is he?
He is a farmer.
And where does he work?
He works in
On
the
the
farm.
he works on the farm. Good. And who is he?
He is a police station.
He is a
Policeman.
good. Where does he work?
He works in the police station.
Good. He works in the police station. And who is he?
He is a pilot.
Excellent. And who is she?
She is a mom.
She is a mum. And who is he?
He is the dad.
Good. And who is she?
She is the sister.
Good. And who is he?
She is the
He.
brother. He is the brother.
Good. And what is that?
He is the baby.
It's a baby. Good. And who is she?
She is the grandmother.
She's a grandmother. Good. Who is he?
He is the grandfather.
Good. And who are they?
They are cousins.
They are cousins. And who is she?
She is a aunt.
Good. And who is he?
He is an uncle.
Good. Whose hat is that?
As his mom.
It's Mum's hat.
As
And whose pen is that?
that.
It's
Is that.
Pants.
Is that.
And whose puzzle is that? It's
His grandma.
Grandma's.
Alison is
It's
the
It's Alison's doll. And whose pencil case is that?
Jen
It's
is okay.
It's Jamie's pencil case. And what letter is this?
Let your answer mom.
Anderson.
Let your answer nurse.
Anderson.
Let your answer orange.
Good. This one.
Let your pizza pen.
Good. This one.
Let your queen.
Good. This one.
Let your answer running.
Good. This one.
Let your answer sofa.
Good. This one.
Let your tea to eat.
Good. This one.
Let your use umbrella.
Very good. This one.
Let your visa one.
Good. This one.
Let your use window.
Very good. What letter is this?
Let your S moss.
Good. This one.
Let your
Good work. This one. Good job. Okay. Now, would you like to tell me about your family?
Hello everyone, my name is Lisa. I'm 7 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I'm glad to this is my family. My friend,
This is my
this is my friend.
grandpa.
She